check this out. This is my modern mirrorless camera, and I'm gonna try to focus on that water bottle over there in extreme darkness. Red square saying it cannot focus. Just to show that it's working properly, I'm gonna just shine a bit of light on the ceiling, and it's not a lot, but it's more than enough. Check this out. It struggled a bit, but it actually focused. Yeah, I switched cameras, but it's the exact same lens. It's a SLR. It's not a DSLR, actually it's film, so an SLR. There is no film on it. Let's see how it goes. This will be amazing. Check this out. I mean, it's impressive how fast this thing focuses. It's amazing. Yeah, the secret is in the flash. And to understand that, I'm gonna use this camera. I actually modified it. I replaced the infrared filter with a clear glass filter. That means this camera can see infrared. And that's the secret why this thing focuses extremely fast. I don't know why I looked through the viewfinder. It's too dark, I can't see anything, but let's do this. It's always amazing how fast it focuses, and actually pretty damn accurate. Yeah, that's quite a lot of light coming out from a small flash like that. What you are seeing, the big amount of light that you are seeing, is from the Autofocus Assist from this really old flash. And that light is invisible for humans because it's infrared. This camera actually can see it, and you can see an explosion of light. It's impossible to this thing to not focus. The red light that we actually can see, it's not that relevant. What is actually doing the focus is the infrared light going through the face detection system of this camera. Where is those phase detection points that actually help a lot to focus? Actually is not in the mirror. It is on the bottom of the camera. So we have a film camera, so we're going to open it. And there they are, is those 3 dots, because this only have 3 autofocus points that actually do the autofocus. How cool is that? So the mirror reflects the light up, but it has some other secondary mirrors reflecting 3 little light points in here. And that's one of the reasons that a lot of professionals in difficult lighting still use DSLR for their professional work. But how come a modern mirrorless and a modern flash doesn't have that technology? The answer is really simple, because this camera focuses with the sensor. Canon call it dual pixel focus, whatever, okay? And because it's the sensor that is doing the focusing, that means it can't see infrared light to use as a focus point. There is hope for mirrorless? I think so, because Canon have a new type of hot shoe that it has a lot of communication pins. I imagine if they come out with a flash with LiDAR or something like that to do the autofocus and tell the camera, the subject, it's like 2 meters away, focus on that point, that would be amazing. But for the moment, if you want to see the modification of this camera and what scientifically can do, check that video over there.